Greetings from VSK Business Consultant Chennai. Welcome all business owners. Digital marketing is synchronously vital for all businesses: retail, wholesale, manufacturing, marketing agencies, distribution, consultants, doctors, lawyers, everyone. Real-time engagement, data-driven decisions, and seamless customer experiences are crucial. For retail, it means synchronized inventory, online sales, and instant feedback. Wholesale benefits from real-time B2B platform updates and client communication. Manufacturers need synchronized supply chains and production updates. Marketing agencies rely on real-time campaign tracking and data analysis. Distribution needs real-time shipment and inventory management. Professionals like doctors and lawyers need real-time scheduling and client communication. Synchronous digital marketing enhances efficiency, improves customer satisfaction, and provides a competitive edge. It ensures businesses stay connected, responsive, and relevant in today's fast-paced digital world. Furthermore, digital marketing's paramount importance spans across all business scales: small, medium, and large. It's not merely an option, but an imperative for survival and growth in today's digital ecosystem. Small businesses find digital marketing a powerful equalizer. With limited budgets, they can leverage cost-effective strategies like local SEO, social media engagement, targeted email campaigns, and optimized Google My Business profiles. These tactics enable them to reach niche audiences, build brand awareness within their communities, and drive local sales. Medium-sized businesses, having established a market presence, utilize digital marketing to scale operations and expand their reach. They employ more sophisticated strategies, including content marketing, paid advertising, PPC, marketing automation, and data-driven analytics. These businesses focus on lead generation, conversion optimization, and brand building to achieve sustainable growth. Large-scale enterprises, with their vast resources, employ comprehensive digital marketing strategies to maintain market dominance and drive innovation. They leverage programmatic advertising, data-driven personalization, multi-channel marketing, and robust reputation management to reach global audiences and maintain a competitive edge. Regardless of size, digital marketing offers undeniable benefits. Measurable results. Digital campaigns provide detailed data, allowing for precise ROI tracking and strategy optimization. Targeted reach. Digital tools enable precise targeting, ensuring marketing efforts reach the most relevant audiences. Cost effectiveness. Compared to traditional methods, digital marketing offers a higher ROI. Enhanced engagement. Digital platforms facilitate direct interaction with customers, fostering loyalty and building relationships. Global reach. Digital marketing transcends geographical boundaries, enabling businesses to expand their market reach globally. In essence, digital marketing is the lifeblood of modern businesses. It's the bridge connecting businesses with their customers, driving growth, and ensuring long-term success. Trust VSK Business Consultant for expert consultation. VSK Business Consultant in Chennai is dedicated to helping businesses of all sizes navigate this dynamic landscape and achieve their digital marketing goals. Contact 9840-336-999. Visit www.vskbusinessconsultant.in. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our WhatsApp channel, and connect on Facebook and Instagram. Share with friends, colleagues, relatives, and new businesses.